All right, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch your brush and then put on your skimmer or your surface skimmer. So what you have to do is you got to get both of these little buttons pushed in, then you just got to kind of wiggle this a little bit back and forth and it pops out. Then for this one you just got to get her in there like that, right? And because it's like this way, so I'm going to turn it this way and I'm just going to squeeze these until I can get them right under in there. Of course it's not easy. There we go. Now I just got to find the holes. And it's, oh, there they are. So this one's a little bit farther back. Here, here, there. Bam, ready to go. Now I can skim my pool. And that's how you do it. On here, what you have to do is just twist this and then it pulls out. And then you twist it this way and it tightens. Very simple. All right. So all you have to do is come here, take this hand here, and then you just twist it this way. I hold it and I twist. Basically lefty-loosey, righty-tighty to lock it in. Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. That's it. And then we're ready to go. And again, I can make this longer, and then so that I can reach out and get all of this stuff. It's like that. This is all the stuff from the guys cutting the grass. So I sped this up, and what I'm doing is I'm kind of scooping it up, and as I do that it makes a little bit of a current, so the leaves are kind of flowing towards me when I go back the opposite direction. And here I'm just kind of jumping on them and grabbing them. And I try to keep the top of it open so that I can get them all. It's pretty easy. And that's how you do it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel.